and thank you for joining me back in my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and today I'm going to prepare a simple lunch using the last few things I have in the fridge. It's the end of the week, so there isn't much there. What there is some bell pepper. It's not the best shape for stuffing, but I'm still going to do my best. And the stuffing I'm going to use is potato and tuna. That's quite a typical combination here in Italy, but it's one I've never tried, so today's the day. And I'm going to add to mine some mayonnaise, a little bit of mustard, a bit of chopped onion and some capers. I think that's going to go really well with the tuna. And that in turn should go really well with the red, sweet bell pepper. And I'm going to serve that with some rucola on the side. That's going to be a nice, colourful, healthy and light lunch, inexpensive and easy to make. If you enjoy this recipe, please do give me a thumbs up and come back and follow me for more next time. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need bell pepper, potatoes, tuna, mustard, mayonnaise, capers, onion and rucola.